A day after the U.S. Senate decided to repeal Obamacare, Donald Trump had something to say about that idea.
Just wants everyone to work together. 27 First News reporter Lindsay Watson talked with our local lawmakers about the effects repealing the health care law could have on the Valley. She's live in the studio at 11.
Well, Trump is warning the GOP to be careful in their repeal effort, almost suggesting that ripping up Obamacare might let Democrats off the hook politically for problems associated with the law. But what problems, if any, would arise if the major health care legislation is repealed? In these 3 tweets, President-elect Donald Trump almost warns what many health insurance experts voiced after his election in November: the potential dangers of a complete repeal of the Affordable Care Act.
I agree with Governor Kasich, who said that you don't repeal Obamacare and throw up to 800,000 Ohioans off their health insurance without having something right then to replace it with.
Trump and GOP leaders in Congress have said they intend to come up with a replacement plan, but have not yet formally proposed one.
Our job is to do what's right, and that's to pass this legislation to repeal and replace Obamacare, to give us a chance to get rid of some of the most detrimental aspects of it.
On the Senate floor earlier today, Senator Rob Portman talked about overhauling the health care system.
We've seen that Obamacare, with its mandates, its centralized control, its top-down approach, has made it more difficult to get a job and has increased health care costs for families and small businesses. Not the right way to provide quality health care for the people I represent in Ohio.
On the opposite end of the spectrum, Senator Sherrod Brown says if a major repeal happens, the Mahoning Valley would be hit hard by the loss of access to affordable health care.
Of the 700,000 or 800,000 people losing insurance in Ohio, about half of them have jobs. They just have jobs without health insurance. So they're going to go to work sicker. They're going to be more likely to get other people sick. They're not going to be as productive. Their lives are going to be worse. And in some cases, people without insurance are more likely to die.
Just today, House Speaker Paul Ryan announced that lawmakers will act this year on repealing President Barack Obama's health care law and replacing it with a Republican alternative, one that President Obama has widely referred to as Trump Care. Reporting live in the studio tonight, Lindsay Watson, 27 First News at 11.